Welcome to another series in our playlist Urdu for English speakers, in which we are going to learn Urdu language through Urdu poetry. Personally, I am deeply interested in poetry. It's one of my favorite subjects, and in the past I have written it myself and I've enjoyed it, and I have tasted it, and now I want to share its taste with you. I hope that with this series, not only it will help you learn Urdu language, but also help you get a taste of Urdu poetry, both things at the same time. So let's start. The one I have chosen to share with you today is a ghazal, and it has a very interesting redif. तो कोई बात नहीं. Okay? तो कोई बात नहीं, or even we can drop the to, and if we just say koi baat nahi, it is equivalent to the English no problem. Whenever in English you have to say it's fine, no problem, no issue, doesn't matter. For example, let's say you bump into someone, you hit someone accidentally, or someone hits you accidentally, not willingly, and you want to say it's fine, no problem, you can say koi baat nahi. Okay? Or even in the as a reply of thank you, when you have to say you're welcome in English, even for that you can say koi baat nahi. If someone says to you shukriya in Urdu, you can say koi baat nahi, it's fine, no problem, doesn't matter, mention not. It has all these meanings. Okay, so this particular ghazal is going to be a very good resource for memorizing, for making this part of your memory. Okay, and this is the reason I have selected this ghazal, because it is so, the language used in it is so conversational, so easy to understand, and yet beautiful, poetically beautiful. So let's start from the first verse. यही वफा का सिला है तो कोई बात नहीं, ये दर्द तुमने दिया है तो कोई बात नहीं. If this is the reward of loyalty, it's no matter, कोई बात नहीं. If this pain is your gift to me, it's no matter, it's fine. So the emphasis is on yehi in the first line, if this be the reward of loyalty. And in the second line, the emphasis is on you. If you are giving this pain to me, it's fine. Yehi bahut hai, the second verse, कि तुम देखते हो साहिल से, सफीना डूब रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं. यही बहुत है, it is enough, कि तुम देखते हो, that you watch, साहिल से, from the shore. सफीना डूब रहा है, if the ship is sinking, it's no matter. Okay? Meaning that, oh my love, for me it is enough that you at least keep me in attention. I'm sinking in the sea, you're standing on the shore and watching me drown, and you're doing nothing to help me, rescue me. Yet I don't have any complaints, but I am grateful that at least you're paying attention to me, at least you're looking at me. Okay, so very positive, optimist view. ये फिक्र है कहीं तुम भी न साथ छोड़ चलो, जहाँ ने छोड़ दिया है तो कोई बात नहीं. I only fear that you might leave my side too. If the world has abandoned me, it's no matter. You are my world, you are with me, the world is with me. You're not with me, the world is not with me. तुम ही ने आईना ये दिल मेरा बनाया था, तुम ही ने तोड़ दिया है तो कोई बात नहीं. It was you who turned my heart into a mirror, and you who shattered it, so it doesn't matter. So it's no matter. Okay? Again, the emphasis on you. तुम ही ने आईना ये दिल मेरा बनाया. It was you who made the mirror of my heart, literally, or who turned my heart into a mirror. I had an ordinary heart that would simply pump blood and do its function, but it was your love that transformed this ordinary organ into a mirror through which love could reflect. And now it's the same you, tumhi, now again the emphasis on you, and it is the same you who is shattering it now, breaking it now. So it's fine. I accept you as the constructor of me, as the destructor of me, destroyer of me, builder of me. Okay, I accept both of shades of you. So it's a very positive ghazal, accepting the lover, the beloved totally, and always and perceiving everything positively, even when drowning, perceiving it as positive. No, at least she's looking at me, or he's looking at me. Okay, and the last verse of it, किसे मजाल कहे कोई मुझको दीवाना, अगर ये तुमने कहा है तो कोई बात नहीं. Who has the audacity to call me mad? But if it is you who says so, it's no matter. किसे मजाल, who has the courage, who has the strength, कहे कोई मुझको दीवाना, to call me crazy person, a mad person. No one has the audacity or the courage. Okay? No one can call me this. But only you has this audacity. Only you have this wisdom to call me crazy. Why wisdom? Because only you know me. Only you know that I'm not mad. I am a passionate person about everything. My life, my work, my job, my love, my relationship. I'm passionate. So if you call me crazy person, a divana, that I would take as a positive, that you're calling me a passionate person, a person passionate about life. Okay? So I would perceive it as positively. Although you might be calling it as a negative person, as you are just crazy person. But no, I'll take it as a wise saying, as a wise compliment. But if any other person would call me crazy, they lack wisdom. They don't understand my passion. So they don't have the strength to call me a crazy person. Okay, and if they call, that will be negative. Okay, but if you'll call me, that will be positive. That will be passionate. I will take it as okay. So this is the meaning, the theme of this. Always perceiving the beloved as, and everything that comes from him, in a positive way. Okay, he's crushing you, breaking you, making you sink in the sea, but you are just saying no. He's paying me attention. He calls me crazy, but no, that is positive. Okay, so being positive in the love and perceiving everything positively, that is the lesson of this ghazal. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it, and it also helped you learn more words, particularly this expression koi baat nahi. Okay, so this is the end of our first episode of this Urdu poetry series. See you in the next episode, hopefully very soon. बहुत जल्द. Allah Hafiz.